We will now demonstrate some of the many benefits of automatic cleaning. Focus on hygiene, environment and economy. Boosted water pressure for cleaning difficult surfaces. Uniform systematic cleaning. Perfect surface impact. Low consumption of water, chemicals and electricity. Creation of impressively fewer aerosols. Systematic uniform cleaning reduces cleaning time considerably. More production hours available. Less expenses for wages. Less damages on production equipment. System Cleaner's automatic cleaning solutions gives you reduced cleaning time, enhanced hygiene, max available production time. Even bigger benefits are to be gained when cleaning areas where access to carry out manual cleaning may be difficult. System Cleaners. Simple, robust, reliable.